Let's familiarize POS interface. The left sidebar area is dedicated to navigating product categories. Favorite is highlighted by default, indicating it's the currently selected category, and the products displayed in the central area belong to this category. We can change the button position by pressing, holding, and dragging it. At the very bottom of the sidebar, there's a grid icon that contains the main navigation menu. At the top, we can see the user login details, with an online status indicator showing the last sync date and time. The activity area includes POS, report, customer, settings, and back office. The sessions area includes sync, current shift, and lock options. At the very bottom, it displays the current app version. We will discuss these sessions in other videos. Then we move to the top of the interface. Tap the search icon. This will lead you to dedicated search page for item searching. When clicking on a walk-in customer option at the top, move to a search page listing existing customers. At the top, there's an option to add as a customer. You can add a new customer by tapping Add as Customer. There is an order types menu on the right side, including standard, home delivery, takeaway, and aggregators. The default standard is selected. The kebab menu on the top right side includes Clear, Cash Drawer, and Note, which are related to items in the cart. This area shows items added to the current transaction. Here you can see an on-screen keypad. To enable this, go to the main menu, Settings, under General Settings, and enable on-screen keypad. Here, you will show the total amount payable, the number of items, whether any tax is applicable, and any applicable bill discount. The Order button, located to the right of the menu grid, redirects you to the Orders Management page. It is the gateway to managing all other sales and orders that are either completed, pending, or came in through a different channel. Moving on to the Discount or Charges button. By using, you can apply a discount and charge coupon. Finally, there's a Save button that will save your order. The items you've added to your cart will be stored, and you can view them later by clicking the Order button. Thanks for watching.